Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Pippit AI. In order to do so, here we are at pippit.capcut.com and we are all logged in, and this is what you're going to find when you log in with Pippit. You have some options here for beginning to do your creations. We can do a marketing video, an avatar video, an AI talking video, more or less the same thing as the avatar video. We can create posters and product photos. So Pippit is primarily focused on products, marketing, things of that sort. Let's just do a quick review here of the different options that you have. Here we can see some different things trending on TikTok, and we can go to the image studio. You can see we can remove background, we can create an AI background, we can create posters, we can upscale images, Rosify Magic, AI model, AI shadows, batch edit, image editor. So there's some pretty cool stuff here. Inspiration, you can see some templates that they have here. You can take a look at those, and we also have avatars and voices. So we have a couple sample avatars here.
Welcome to CapCut Commerce Pro. Let's create something amazing together. Welcome to
Pretty cool. You can also create your own avatars. You can upload your own avatars, and you can create custom voices. So that's pretty neat. Let's go ahead and take a look at the assets here. And you're going to see some of the different assets that we have uploaded here to create our own videos. Let me just see something here really quick. Let's try drafts. It's not going to let us do that. So we've uploaded the all of our assets here. So let's go ahead and head back to the video generator. And here we go. So these are the videos that we've already generated. So I'm going to give you an idea of what Pippit is capable of. So let's just go ahead and click on this.
Elevate your research abilities with Skillcraft AI. Our intelligent system tailors educational experiences unique to you, empowering your journey toward academic excellence.
So that gives you an idea of what Pippit is capable of. Now, the lip sync right now is not synced up. It did make a note of saying that it's not going to be entirely synced up until you export. So just keep that in mind. But here, we'll just go ahead and take a look at one more of these. So that's just a neat little video there, little product reel. So that's kind of fun. And yeah, so there is some really cool stuff here to give you an idea of what Pippit is capable of. And I would say that if you are looking to make a product video, then you should take a look at Pippit. One of the nice things is they do give you quite a few credits to play around. You have a month to use 1,800 credits, so that's really quite generous. And I would say that Pippit is definitely worth taking a look at. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.